Finally, I've got the package. So guys, it's really true. It's buy one, take one talaga. I thought scam. Honestly, akala ko ano lang, pero totoo talaga siya. So, see, happy. At least, di ba, pang matagalan na supply. Kasi we need sunscreen. I'm already 34 years old. And ang laki pala niya, guys. So, ayan na. Si girl, tinatry na. Skin test. Hopefully, hindi ako mag-breakout nito, I'm so scared. Actually, madali siyang i-blend. In fairness naman, katulad siya yung sunscreen na ginagamit ko dati sa Dubai. Although that one was branded. But eto, okay naman yung niya, formula. Tsaka yung consistency niya. Madali siyang i-blend, which is, I really like. Ayan. Although may ginamit na akong sunscreen before ko nilagay yan. Kasi umalis ako kanina and then dumating tong package and then parang natitempt akong itry. Pero I didn't use any foundation. Just sunscreen and then another sunscreen which is the Suki UV Defense sunscreen. Oh, ayan, fresh. O, diba? In fairness, bet ko siya. Ready to go na yan. Parang blush on na lang kulang And then pag masyado ng oily yung face mo, then use